Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix message not sending on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you try to send a message to someone on your iPhone and you see this kind of error shows not delivered, so how you can fix that? So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your device. For this, what you have to do, you have to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and after that you can simply slide to power off, and after that you can simply restart your device. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether your iPhone is connected to SIM or network. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply check for that connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after a few seconds of waiting you can simply turn it on again, and in this way you can simply restart your network connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of messages here, and here you have to click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the iMessage toggle, which means you have to turn off the iMessage toggle and you have to turn it on again. And here what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that it can activate. As you can see, it can be activated. So here you have to click on send and receive, and after that you have to check whether your Apple ID has been connected to that or not. And if it is connected and the problem is still there, you can simply click on iMessage app, and here you can simply check whether any kind of permission is provided to that or not. And in this way you can simply solve the problem. If the problem is still there, you can simply go for the setting, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and here you have to check whether you have an updated version of iOS or not, which means you have to simply update your iOS device, and after that you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.